Hello everybody, my name's Chris Penrose. I'm with Colton RV here in Wind Gap, Pennsylvania. Today I wanted to show you this Montana. It's a 25 Montana 3231 CK. And first I just wanted to show you how much storage this thing has. This thing has a ton of storage. It's a pass-through. Lift that baby up and you can almost turn it into a second bedroom. It's really a lot of space. And as you pan out and get a whole side view here, you notice that there's two awnings. There's one main awning, and then you have an awning on your slide, so it's going to give you coverage and shade throughout the whole length of the trailer, which is real nice. You know, you have a nice shady area. This one's got the Road Armor hitch for you, so you're going to have a nice smooth ride. Not a lot of bounce in there. It's going to give you a lot of cushion. Again, you got a front storage compartment. Some folks put a small generator in there if you wanted to take one with you, but otherwise you can just use it for storage, and all your electronic hookups are in here. Your main switches are in here, and right now we have our battery pack hooked up, so it'll give us some lights in there. You swing on over. This is the other side of your pass-through right here. So again, you can see how big it is. Easy access on both sides. You can fit a lot of stuff in here, and this is where they put all your hookups conveniently right here. And this is going to provide a real nice clean hookup for everything, and then everything can get locked up so nobody can mess around with your hookups, whether it be your water or your power. Everything gets into one location, real nice from up underneath. If you come around this nice big slide here, you're going to see on the inside how much room this slide actually provides. And if you swing around the back, you notice around the whole thing we have the seamless windows. Nice sleek look on the windows. There's no frames on the outside. They're seamless, and really make it it gives it a good look. And this also has a fully walkable roof. It comes with a ladder here. I'll show you. Pretty easy to climb up. Check all your maintenance up here. Check your seals. Check out the view. Watch the cars go round and round on the inside in the infield. Another thing I'd like to point out here is the Liper leveling system here. It's touch of a button. You hit the button and the levelers come down. It levels this machine for you, and you don't have to worry about it. It's automatically done for you, so it's a nice feature to have. So come on in, folks. I'd like to show you the inside of this. So here we are on the inside of this Montana 3231 CK, and first of all, I want to show you the nice dinette that they have here. It is for two, but you know what? You can lift this up. You can store some things underneath here, and you can also extend it out if you wanted to and have a little bit more space. We always tuck it back in there though, just to keep it nice and tucked out of the way. Over here you got two reclining chairs, Thomas Paine, high quality, great fabric, easy to clean, bright, really comfortable. Back here you have a 3-seat sofa. You can also pull this out into a full-size bed. This comes out and you have another sleep for your guest. Over here they have a full TV here. It's 50-inch. It's a big entertainment center, which is real nice. This floor plan here is beautiful for the family. They can all sit here and enjoy the fireplace and the TV. It's real nice and comfortable. Up here you have a lot of storage. You got a lot of cabinet space up here. You see you can store all your movies and clothes and whatever you need. Over here you have a little work area for your kitchen. A lot of room over here for chopping, slicing, separating your food. A great work area. Also, you have this outlet over here which drops down into the cabinet. Provides you a little bit more space when you're not using it. And then you have a 120 outlet right there and a USB charging port. Nice window. Nice. You get a lot of light in here. As you notice, you might see the lights flicker in there. That's because we're not plugged in. We're actually off a battery pack. So you get a little flicker there. Over here you have a nice big island. There's a lot of room in this area right here with this big slide out. Even with the island in the center of your living area, there is still plenty of room to walk around and enjoy your family and play games and eat and just watch movies. So just a lot of area. You got a full-size residential stove with a 3-burner cooktop, oven, and a full-size residential stainless steel fridge. And a big freezer, chest freezer. Provides a lot of storage for all your food, frozen, and your refrigerator. Keep things nice and cool. All right, if you guys want to follow me to the front here, I just want to show you the bathroom here and how big it is. You got a nice big stand-up shower. toilet, which is porcelain, not plastic. And then you have a double sink here, his and hers, stainless steel. So you got plenty of room for everybody. And then the bedroom, king size bed, lots of storage, lots of closet space on each side. There's more drawer space back here for your shoes, for your clothes. You can hang your clothes up on a rod up there. And then you also have this back here. They provide you with a washer dryer hookup, so you can put a stackable washer and dryer in here, and you can also have storage for your laundry detergent, softener, sheets, and all that good stuff. And then over here in the center of the hallway, they give you a lot more storage and coat rack. And then here is your control panel right here. If you guys wanted to come and see this, I'd be glad to show it to you. It's a 2025 Montana 3231 CK. Just come on out. We're in Wind Gap, Pennsylvania. And if you wanted to reach me directly, my number is 610-863-5239. My extension 817. I'd be glad to hear from you. I look forward to hearing from you. All right. Have a great day. Bye.